Hi, we're coming to you live today from Great Lakes Security Hardware in Auburn Hills. Talking about our locksmith service, we offer commercial, residential, and automobile locksmith services, as well as emergency services during normal business hours and after hours emergency service to our existing accounts. So call us today, find out what we can do for you at Great Lakes Security Hardware, and become a client and have the peace of mind that you have the best locksmith in Auburn Hills. Call us today, 888-855-6257, or visit us at greatlakessecurityhardware.com.